Creeping in to number 1 in the countdown are worms. But not harmless garden worms. These are man-eating monsters.
They came from everywhere. Millions of writhing, seething creatures oozing out of the mire to feed on human flesh.
Don't think this is just some B-movie plotline. There really are horrific worms that hunt us down. In the tropics, be afraid of the blood fluke. The larval stage of this parasitic worm will burrow through your skin to get into your bloodstream. This little horror heads to the blood vessels near your bladder. Adults can live up to 30 years, constantly laying eggs that are so spiny they can rupture your bladder wall on the way to the outside world. Our nightmares may be full of huge, ferocious beasts, but the scariest things live inside our bodies. Some live inside our gut, just waiting to feast on the food we send down to them every day. The roundworm Ascaris is as thick as a pencil and twice as long. It's found inside 1 out of every 4 people on the planet. And the scariest thing is that you might never know that these worms are inside you. Usually you only find out when the worm gets upset and decides it's time to leave the body. But other worms cause trouble because they get stuck in our body. These filarial worms are as thin as sewing thread and as long as your finger. They live coiled up inside your lymph glands, feeding on your body fluids. The trouble is, all these worms curled up can block fluid movement. And that's how we can get the gross swellings known as elephantiasis. How'd you like a limb the same size, shape, and color as an elephant's leg? There's nowhere on your body that worms can't reach. There's even a worm that's at home in your heart. Heartworms are usually parasites of your pet dog, but sometimes they'll move house and live inside your heart, feeding on your blood. Be afraid. Be very afraid of what may be lurking inside your body. You can't hide from worms. They're everywhere.